Rhys ap Iorwerth.
Diolch, Dir Prylywydd. Dwi wedi bod yng nghanolfan ganser ragorol Felindre bore yma. Mi licen i ddiolch i'r staff sy'n arwain y frwydr yn erbyn canser yno, a dymuno'n dda i'r holl gleifion weles i efo'i brwydra personol i hunain. Mae un ohono ni yn brwydro ar hyn o bryd i'n ifanc. Mae'n dymuniad agorau ni'n mynd i Steffan Lewis, sydd wedi cael llawdriniaeth yn barod am ganser y colyddyn, a sy'n parhau a'i driniaeth. Pan nath aelod arall o'r cynulliad yma, Glyn Davies, oroesi canser y colyddyn, mi sefydlodd o dîm rygbi. Ac ers hynny, mae tîm rygbi'r cynulliad wedi cadw'n agos at elusen Bowel Cancer UK, yn codi arian lle gallwn ni a chodi ymwybyddiaeth bob amser. Dwi'n gwisgo tei y tîm rwan, ond nid tei fydd gen i amdana i ddydd Sadwrn, ond kit y tîm. Our match against the Houses of Commons and Lords is the big annual match for the Assembly rugby team, held on the day of the Wales-England Six Nations fixture. I'll be there at Roslyn Park in London on Saturday, alongside a number of other members, hopefully with all of you invited to play or to support. We'll be there as members, as support staff, as researchers, as security. My son will be there too, all with one main purpose. No, not to extend our six-match winning streak, as important as that is, but to do all we can to raise the profile of the charities we support. The Bowel Cancer Charity has had a busy week, publishing a new report calling for strengthened services and better diagnosis. And in donning our Assembly rugby kit and, yes, putting our bodies on the line for 80 minutes this Saturday, we'll try to do our bit to shout as loudly as we can for Steph and everybody else in the same position as him, that when it comes to the fight against cancer, it's game on. Yeah.